Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Manas Adhikari and I am 10 years old. So in today's video we're going to evaluate the integral from 1 over 2 to 1 of 2y plus 3 over y squared plus y dy. Before you get started, please like and subscribe to my channel and share my video. Now let's get into it. So first let's look at 2y plus 3 over y squared plus y. We know that's the same as 2y plus 3 over, in the denominator we can factor out y. So y times y plus 1, when it's closed. And now to find this, we have to use partial fractions. So this will be equal to a over y plus b over y plus 1. So now on both sides, we can multiply by y times y plus 1. So you have 2y plus 3 is equal to a times y plus 1 plus b times y. Parentheses close. So now let's plug in y equals to 0. So now we have 2 times 0, which is 0, and 0 plus 3, which is 3. And that is equal to a times 0 plus 1, which is a. And this will be plus 0, so a plus 0 is a. So now let's plug in y equals to negative 1. So we have 2 times negative 1, which is negative 2, and negative 2 plus 3 is 1. So you have 1 is equal to, this will be 0, and we have b times negative 1, which is negative b. So that means that b would be equal to negative 1. So now we have 3 over y minus 1 over y plus 1. So now let me erase this, and this. So now this will be the same as integral from 1 over 2 to 1, in parentheses, 3 over y minus 1 over y plus 1, parentheses closed, dy. So now, let me place this, and this. So now this will be the same as, we can take out 3, and we have integral from 1 over 2 to 1 of 1 over y dy. And you have minus integral from 1 over 2 to 1 of 1 over y plus 1 dy. So now it's the same as 3. We know that integral 1 over y dy is ln y. So you have ln y, down parentheses, from 1 over 2 to 1. And now to find the integral of this, we have to use u substitution to make u equals to y plus 1. So that means that du will be equal to dy. So now we have minus. And then also, we have to change the limit of integration, because this limit of integration is with respect to y, and we're trying to make it with respect to u, so change the limit of integration. So I have u is equal to 1 over 2 plus 1, and that is equal to 3 over 2. And make u equals to 1 plus 1, and that is equal to 2. So now this will be the same as minus integral from 3 over 2 to 2 of 1 over u du. So now same as 3 times, according to fundamental theorem of calculus, we had to first plug in y equals to 1, and we do minus, we had to plug in y equals to 1 over 2. So you have 3 ln 1 minus ln 1 over 2, parentheses closed, and then minus, again we know that integral 1 over u du is ln u, and that in parentheses from 3 over 2 to 2. So now minus this and this. It's now the same as, we know that ln 1 minus ln 1 over 2 is negative ln 1 over 2, and negative ln 1 over 2 times 3 is negative 3 ln 1 over 2. So you have negative 3 ln 1 over 2, and then minus, Again, according to fundamental theorems of calculus, reverse how to plug in u equals to 2. And you minus how to plug in u equals to 3 over 2. So minus, parenthesis, ln 2 minus ln 3 over 2, parenthesis closed. So now the same as negative 3 times, we know that ln 1 over 2 is the same as ln 1 minus ln 2, parenthesis closed, minus parenthesis ln 2 minus parenthesis. We know that ln 3 over 2 is the same as ln 3 minus ln 2, parenthesis closed, and then parenthesis closed. So now let me erase this, 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 and this. So now same as we know that ln 1 minus ln 2 is negative ln 2, and negative ln 2 times negative 3 is 3 ln 2. So we have 3 ln 2, and then we have minus parentheses. We know that the same as ln 2 minus ln 3 plus ln 2, parentheses closed. So now this is the same as 3 ln 2 minus parentheses. ln 2 plus ln 2 is 2 ln 2, and then minus ln 3, parentheses closed. So now same as 3 ln 2 minus 2 ln 2 plus ln 3. So now we know that the same as, we know that 3 ln 2 minus 2 ln 2 is ln 2, and then plus ln 3, and that is equal to ln 6. So now it's the final answer. Thank you guys for watching my video today.